Good morning, sir. Let me start with English. So, good morning. Then, let me go to French. Bonjour, monsieur. Then, Fulani. On Vetijam. Then, Banso. I know you don't know that one, but Venshi Kijunga. Yes, sir.
Wow, you created 4 languages. You've been living in Cameroon for so many years. I don't know how many years. But there's something people don't know about Cameroon. The president of Cameroon, Paul Biya, has been in power for 40 years. Now, what do you think is the political situation today in Cameroon for a man to be there for 40 years?
Actually, some people say he is not good, but he is lovable. Like, he do everything possible to make everyone comfortable. Although, you know, in a society where you have many cultures, many different people, they will be like, no, I don't like this man because he's not from my culture. So he does actually his best to satisfy the people.
Talking about cultures in Cameroon, how many dominant cultures or traditions or people, regions do you have in that country?
We have 10 regions.
10 regions?
Yes, but with variety of cultures actually. More than 30, I can say. Yes. But
culture.
yes, more than 30.
Now, how would a single man be able to manage people of different cultures like that? Has it been easy if you must be fair to Paul Biya?
It's not actually easy. But you know, in this society now, each person will want something from the people. Maybe some people want the president to come from their own culture.
Yeah.
So he's just actually trying.
Now, how long have you been in Nigeria since you came in?
Oh, just 3 months.
Just 3 months?
Yes.
So what would you want to compare between the 3 months you've been here with your life in Cameroon, your life in Nigeria?
Actually, Nigeria, here people are friendly. That's what I can say. Like in Cameroon, it's hard for you to meet somebody for the first time and smile like that. But in Nigeria, you meet somebody for the first time, then...
Thank you, Madina. It's nice talking to you.